This gently lived-in home is ready and waiting for you. The unique floor plan greets you with a true entry vestibule and split bedroom plan, which offers plenty of room and privacy for family members. Each bedroom has a large walk-in closet. The large great room is a wonderful gathering spot for movie nights, entertaining, and family get-togethers. The separate dining area and breakfast bar provides plenty of space for both casual and formal dining experiences. The kitchen is the central hub of the house and also provides for easy interaction with those in the gathering area while preparing meals. The large master bedroom suite can accommodate a seating area in addition to large bedroom furnishings, and the master bath has a separate soaking tub and amp, shower plus double sink vanity. The kitchen has a pantry. There is an automatic sprinkler system and manual storm shutters. All appliances are included and furnishings are available and can be negotiated separately. The living room sofa was just delivered in December, brand new. This home has been well maintained and will make a wonderful vacation or permanent home for any family. What are you waiting for? Schedule your appointment now.